Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with DeLonghi Magnifica. The customer reported it was not pumping water correctly, barely dripping and giving errors. We found multiple issues with this machine. So first thing we did is a tune-up, which we basically clean the machine, descale it, and we replace the brew group right in here, which can build up with coffee oils and restrict flow, which causes resistance on the pump. And we found that although the pump pushed water out of the hot water wand just fine, once it encountered resistance with coffee, it kind of just pooped out. And we replaced that. And the third thing and the final thing was actually a new grinder. Because of oils built up inside of it, it wasn't grinding correctly, and so the clumps wouldn't actually fall into the brew infuser like it should. They would just kind of collect at the top and then just kind of rise up, and it was causing spillage inside the machine. But now everything is repaired and it's working fine, so we're gonna do a little test, pull shot. Looks great. Beautiful. It's going to stop there at about 2 ounces exactly. Alright, we'll also do a little hot water. Good flow out of there. Alright, there you have it. DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.